heroes and set the people free, and then do it all over again. I'm sure you know, and the shadows follow every step I take. You can stay behind like you always do, or come clean for once. I know you could. Come on, let's set those people free, and then do it all over again. Every time it's all the same, I get blamed for their mistakes, and regret is all it brings. It has purpose to my sins, and if I could make a wish to make this go away, I wouldn't make any changes, 'cause they will just do it all over again. She said I haven't really had that fun, and I know you are to blame for that for sure. All of our heroic dreams are dead, and it is dark and